Okay, first up, download the CoinGecko app on your phone, which is both available on iOS and Android. Now, let's start with the first thing you'll see when opening the app, the market page. Here is where you can get a high-level view of how the cryptocurrency market is performing with the global market cap, 24-hour volume, listed coins, and their prices. By default, coins are sorted based on market cap, but you can change it to sort by rank, percentage change, or price. In the upper bar, you can choose to view coin prices in either your primary or secondary currency, apply filters such as top 100 or recently added, and choose the price percentage change time frame between 1 hour, 24 hours, and 7 days. With just one left swipe on a coin, you can easily share the coin, set up a price alert, or add it to your portfolio. Right below the CoinGecko logo is where you can view different pages, which by default will start on the cryptocurrency tab, from which you can move to others like NFT, categories, exchanges, and derivatives. Okay, first up is the NFT tab. View a list of NFTs, their floor prices, and 24-hour volume. This page is sorted by 24-hour volume by default, but you can change it to sort by market cap, floor price change, or 24-hour volume change. You can also choose to filter the list by specific chains, such as Polygon, Solana, Ronin, or Stargaze. This feature is helpful if you're diligently watching the NFT space on your favorite chain. There is also a toggle that will change the floor price to display in either USD or the NFT's native coin. Clicking into an individual NFT page lets you see their price chart and other info like their market cap, sales metrics, unique owners, total assets, which marketplaces they're available on, and links to their socials. Up next is the categories tab, which gives you the insight to the top coins in different categories. Some of these categories include meme coins, tokenized gold, and various ecosystems. It is sorted by 24-hour change by default, but can be changed to sort alphabetically or by market cap. If you're curious about where to buy crypto, then check out the Exchanges tab, where you can see both centralized and decentralized exchanges sorted by CoinGecko's Trust Score. So our Trust Score algorithm takes into account metrics such as liquidity, scale of operations, and cybersecurity score to calculate an exchange's trading volume legitimacy. So this can be used as a starting point to assess the quality of an exchange, but always remember to DYOR as well. The last tab in the upper bar is where you can find out more about the derivatives available in different exchanges. By default, it is sorted by open interest, the total value of open contracts, but you can also change this to 24-hour volume. Now let's head towards the bottom of your screen. Here you can move to your watch list, previously referred to as portfolio. This is a useful feature to keep track of your assets and coins that pique your interest. With watchlist mode, your added coins are displayed with the price, 24-hour volume, and market cap. You can sort the list with any of these metrics. Meanwhile, portfolio mode lets you add your holdings so you can track your overall portfolio performance from different wallets and exchanges in one place. There is the option to view your portfolio as a pie chart, which is perfect for a visual breakdown of your portfolio assets. You can also have the coin prices displayed in your primary or secondary currency, change the price percentage, change time frame to 1 hour, 24 hours, or 7 days, and view either your holdings or profit and loss. Feel free to sort this alphabetically by price, 24-hour volume, or P&L. Now, don't waste time scrolling to find that one coin. Our search tab is here to help you easily find coins, NFTs, and exchanges. Want to know what everyone else is searching? See what coins, NFTs, and categories are trending, as well as top gainers, top losers, and recently added coins. In Explore, you can look at some of the latest news, find useful articles under Learn, or catch up with our newsletters. All right, now that you know how to navigate around the app, let's circle back and dive into the coin pages themselves. Choose your favorite coin and head to the coin page. The first thing you'll see is the price chart, which can be toggled to display as a line or a candlestick chart. It can be set to 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and max, which sets it to the start from the CoinGecko listing date. Information on this page includes market cap, fully diluted valuation, trading volume, circulating supply, total supply, max supply, and more. If you don't know what these are, you can check out our previous explainers on market cap, FDV, and tokenomics. Swiping left will lead you to a list of exchanges the coin is available on. This is sorted by trust score by default, but you can also sort it by 24-hour volume. The next left swipe will let you either add the coin to your watch list or see its details in your portfolio, like holdings value and total cost. One more swipe to the left will bring you to the info tab. Here you will find more information on the coin itself and the main homepage or website of the project. There will also be Explorer links to check information like token supply and number of addresses on chain. Other than that, links to community discussion channels and social media profiles are listed too. You can also read up on the latest news specific to that coin or read any guides produced by the CoinGecko team. Finally, back to the More tab. Remember that you can customize your app experience, including toggling on dark mode or colorblind mode, choosing your primary and secondary currency, the app's language, and the default start screen. You can also use the calculator, which calculates the price of coins in different currencies such as ETH, BNB, and more. If you're interested in receiving notifications, you can set up the different types of notifications that the app can send. From watchlist movements to NFT floor price alerts, you can stay on top of everything with our notifications. Before you leave the app, make sure to collect your candies. You can tap on the candy jar in the top right corner or navigate to the More tab and collect your daily candy, view your balance, and redeem plenty of rewards which are regularly updated. Now, if you're feeling up for it, subscribe to CoinGecko Premium for perks like an ad-free experience, exclusive newsletters, candy multipliers, and lots more. Let us know what your favorite feature in the app is and subscribe to stay tuned to our upcoming guides on the CoinGecko website and Gecko terminal. Bye.